Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sync. In this video, we are going to discuss all the questions which is related to the technical assessments of GenC, GenC Pro and GenC Next. We will be discussing the exam pattern all related to Cluster 1, Cluster 2 and Cluster 3 which is for Java, Python and C#. We will be giving you 150 interview experience of the students who have given the interview within 2025. So don't miss this video. Also, the interview tips given by the selected student, we will be giving you everything. So without wasting time, let's start with the exam pattern. So you can see the how the exam pattern is going. First of all, most probably from today, communication assessment has been started. You can see the today mostly 13 November, many student has given the communication assessment and it is a elimination round for now, because till before it was not like that, but they have started the making it as a elimination round. Next round will be online assessment. In this you will be getting the technical assessment and aptitude assessment both at the same time, and the last will be the offline technical interview. It depends on the role. According to the assessment that you have cleared, you will be getting 3 roles: GenC, GenC Pro and GenC Next. And for the GenC Next, you will be getting 2 rounds of technical interview and it may take around 6 to 8 months of process for that. Okay, and after that, if selected, you will get the letter of intent. Now, according to the aptitude round, so you have to solve 30 questions in 30 minutes. So if you want to be get GenC Pro and GenC Next round, you should solve 25 questions plus with correct for the aim of GenC Next and focus on the accuracy plus speed. And game based assessment, like there will be 4 sections, multiple domains, just clear minimum and clear maximum levels. Higher level is equals to higher low chances. So depends on the question that you solve. Now for the assessment, it is a very important part. It includes coding questions. There will be 2 coding questions based on your cluster. SQL question will be 2 and web based question only for Java, Python cluster. And for others, there will be question based on your other factor. Okay. Now the thing which is mandatory, that 100% accuracy in web development questions for GenC Pro and Next. If you are not able to solve it properly, then you may not get for the GenC Next. Okay, but for GenC Pro you can get it. So all coding plus SQL must be solved perfectly to clear the assessment. Now what is the preparation strategy? So the preparation strategy will be like that. Use previous year question papers, which I am going to show, detailed material, coding samples, SQL queries, and step-by-step explanation. Avoid random resources that don't give the confirm anything. So I will be sharing you everything. Okay. So you can see the scoring system, like all the scores are depend on the communication, aptitude, and game plus technical, but they have changed it like it was the before. But now they are checking if your communication is not good, then you may get eliminated in the first round only. Okay, so make sure to work in the consistency, make sure your communication is very good, then you can go for ahead. Okay, so here it concludes our this part. Now coming for the technical assessment questions. So this is also very important part that you need to know. It will be including coding questions with approaches. I am only going to tell the approaches, and SQL queries which has been asked, web technology based question, and in the last some coding questions with answer. Only answers are there, but you can understand what type of question has been asked by seeing the solution. Now let's see the first technical question for the coding assessment. Like these questions you will be getting in your this round, like technical assessment. Okay, so write a program to calculate the fuel consumption of a truck. Fuel consumption calculation, this is the mainly part, and here is the approach. I'm just giving your list. Factor finder, it is, you can see these question on lead code and it's very easy to solve. Third is ticket booking discount, so you have to write the code for this question. Fourth is solar system moons calculation, array transformation, sequence greatness, empty subarrays, spare balls, attacking forts, class representatives, And one more thing, these question has been asked in the assessment. So don't miss these questions. They are very important and you have to solve these questions before going to the real assessment. Despairing encrypted code and coming to the SQL questions. These are very important. These comes not only in the assessment, this question has been asked in the interview as well. So what is the SQL command to create a table name employees with columns for employee ID, name and salary? You have to write in the SQL. How would you write an SQL query to select all employees with a salary greater than 50,000? Write a SQL query to find the average salary of all employees. Used to which command SQL used to add new name department to employees table? How would you write SQL query to delete an employee with employee ID 100 from the employees table? Okay. SQL query to find maximum salary and salary between update and everything is are here. These are all the questions that you should know. And coming to the web technology, this is the main part of the heart of the questions. Like if you are not able to solve it, then what is the purpose? Okay, row C. HTML structure. Given a set of HTML elements, write a code to structure a simple web page with a header, main content area, and footer. CSS styling. Apply CSS to lifestyle pages such as header has a background color and main content. You can download these questions from the top mate. I will be sharing the link. Okay, so I'm just you can take the screenshot if you don't want to download also. Now coming to the coding part, these are the questions for the interview purpose only. These are question has been asked in the interview. Find the largest element in an array, reverse an array, find duplicate elements in an array, find the missing number in an array, implement a binary search algorithm, reverse a string, check if a string is palindrome or not, find the longest substring without creating character, implement a stack, check if a number is prime or not, Fibonacci series, factorial number, and that's it. So this is the very important part. Now I'm going to share you the resources that I have been collected from the last year. You can see these are the common interview questions for all cluster 1, 2 and 3. Cognizant interview preparation question. Based on if you can solve these questions, you can get everything properly. Web based question. Cognizant interview. There are 150 plus interview experience of the students. You can see that I have taken all the notes from them, and there are around 150 interview experience of the students from 2025 batch, even 2026 batch as well. So you must see these questions. These are very important, and if you can see these questions, then you can clear all the rounds. Okay. Not only that, we have Cognizant analyst trainee role interview questions for PAT, like everybody has heard, program analyst trainee, C sharp, Java cluster, Python cluster, divided in the based on the questions, what type of question, project based question that has been asked in the interview. If you are able to clear this, then you can download this PDF. Cyber security role depends on the how you got. So these I am going to share, and coming to the last tips for the by the selected students. So before make changes in your resume with skills you are comfortable. Okay, so if you are good at Python, then add only Python. Don't add C sharp or Java in your resume, and prepare all the topics. The question can be asked from anywhere. If you are from CSIT, then DBMS, SQL operating system, even operating system questions are being asked. HR questions, technical questions, coding concept and approaches with algorithms. So with all the and last behavioral question, be confident during the interview and never say no to any question. These are the tips given by the selected students who are currently working in the Cognizant. So these are the things that I wanted to tell you. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you need any type of help, just message me in my LinkedIn. I will be sharing the link of my LinkedIn so you can connect with me there. Also, if you want to discuss with other students, you can join our Telegram channel. There you can ask the community. They will be giving answers to your queries. And that's it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.